Hey guys, here we go. We're at EcoCare Refrigerants. We're gonna do a cylinder drop off. You guys can come on in. Very simple process. You guys can bring it in. We could easily do a cylinder. You can do a cylinder swap. Basically, just drop yours off, pick up a new one, and check in. We do have to charge a fee. Handling fee. If it's R22 refrigerant, we could possibly even give you some credit on that on your account. If it's mixed refrigerants that we can't reuse and separate, we do have to get rid of. This is Mo over here. He takes care of business. So if we have to separate or if we have to incinerate, there will be a fee on top of the service, the tank fee. But either way, it's very simple. Just come in and get the tank, either 30, 125, 50s. We do sell new tanks too. We got a supply of 50s and 30s ready to go. We do carry 250s and 1,000-pound cylinders if you have them. If you guys want to drop your tanks off and you want your tanks back, that just takes a few days for us to process that. You just bring them in over here. Otherwise, it's a very simple kind of a swap or a cylinder drop off. All right, thanks for watching. See you.